A report in the medical journal Lancet has sounded an alarm over a looming obesity epidemic in India. As per the study, India may have over 440 million people overweight by 2050. 16 million boys and over 14 million girls between 5 and 14 years of age could be overweight and obese. Over 22 million men and 17 million women between 15 and 24 years could also be obese. India could have the second highest number of obese individuals in the world after China and the US. Many personalities have joined the anti-obesity campaign after Prime Minister Narendra Modi nominated 10 celebrities, including industrialist Anand Mahindra, actor R. Madhavan, Olympic medalist Manu Bhaker, among others.
एक स्टडी के मुताबिक आज हर 8 में से एक व्यक्ति ओबेसिटी की समस्या से परेशान है। बीते वर्षों में ओबेसिटी के मामले दोगुने हो गए हैं, लेकिन इससे भी ज्यादा चिंता की बात यह है कि बच्चों में भी मोटापे की समस्या 4 गुना बढ़ गई है। अधिक वजन या मोटापा कई तरह की परेशानियों को, बीमारियों को भी जन्म देता है। एक तरीका मैंने सुझाया था, खाने के तेल में 10% 10% की कमी करना।
AIIMS Delhi is also conducting awareness programs on obesity.
Obesity is defined as a chronic, persistent and recurrent disease. The main parameter to define obesity is body mass index. Body mass index has its own problems. Like say an athlete would have a body mass index of 30, 32. Whereas another obese person would have the same index. The difference in that would be that the athlete has a lot of muscle, whereas the other person has a lot of fat. Obesity is a 100% preventable disease. In children, there can be genetic causes, which nothing much can be done. In adults, the constitutional obesity, what we see, is 100% preventable, and the main reason for that is our diet and lifestyle. There's no cure, actually. I would say it would be a control.
Nowadays, we have a lot of these drugs for weight loss, especially Ozempic has been prescribed. Can it be prescribed for weight loss specifically in our country? It's mostly used for diabetes, I believe.
Yes, the molecule GLP-1 analog, the other part, the oral form is available in India. So that is, in India, it's approved for management of diabetes.
So that was Dr. Naval K. Vikram speaking to NDTV and telling us that prevention, even in the case of obesity, is better than the cure. It is a chronic disease, but it can be, preventable in the long run as well. With camera person Mukesh, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.